Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to change TikTok username. To do so, go to your TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then you'll reach to your account. Now tap on edit profile and then there you can see your username. Tap on it and enter the new username you want to keep. If the username you chose is available, then you can see tick button and the save button will glow. Tap on save and it will pop up a message saying you can change your username once every 30 days. Tap on set username, then it will show you the loading screen and then you can see the saved message as well as the new username. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end and let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and please do subscribe for similar contents.